Is Nextcloud the best storage in 2026? Tired of juggling Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive? Always worrying about privacy, storage limits, or losing control over your files? Nextcloud promises a solution. A self-hosted cloud where you own your data, collaborate seamlessly with your team, and access everything from any device. But in 2026, is Nextcloud really the best storage option or just another ambitious DIY alternative? I spent time exploring Nextcloud because cloud storage isn't just about saving files, it's about privacy, security, and full control. Most commercial clouds are convenient but store your data on someone else's servers. Nextcloud flips that: the files stay on your server, UNAs, or private cloud, and you call the shots. Let's break down what it claims. Nextcloud promises complete file control, enterprise-grade security like two-factor authentication and end-to-end encryption, file sharing, calendars, chat, and Office integration. It also claims unlimited flexibility. You can connect it to existing storage like S3, S devices, or even mix multiple clouds. It markets itself as open source, meaning no hidden fees or vendor lock-ins. On paper, it sounds like a dream for anyone tired of mainstream clouds. Here's the first consideration: setup. Unlike Dropbox or Google Drive, Nextcloud isn't plug and play. You'll need some technical knowledge, a server or hosting plan, and patience. Uploading large files might take longer than expected, and desktop clients can lag when managing thousands of files. So the promise of full control comes with responsibility. You have to maintain updates, security, and backups yourself. The user experience, however, is quite smooth. The web interface is clean and intuitive, mobile apps work well, and collaboration features are impressive. You can share folders with your team, set permissions, track changes, and integrate Office apps. Reviews on TechRadar and TrustRadius highlight speed, privacy, and scalability as major pluses. Users report syncing files across multiple devices without issues, though some mention minor bugs or slower performance under heavy workloads. One of Nextcloud's biggest selling points is privacy and data sovereignty. Your files never leave your servers unless you decide so, and there's no data mining or profiling. For companies or individuals who prioritize security, this is a massive advantage. Commercial clouds store your data in shared environments, which might be convenient but exposes you to potential breaches or policy changes. With Nextcloud, you decide who sees what. Another consideration is flexibility and integrations. Nextcloud can connect to external storage systems, third-party apps, and Office tools. You can even run your own email, calendar, and chat servers fully integrated with your cloud. It's a one-stop ecosystem if you're willing to invest time in setup and management. On the downside, many users find that scaling up for large teams or huge file volumes can be tricky, especially if your server isn't powerful enough. Paid support is available, but that adds cost. Performance-wise, Nextcloud handles normal file storage and collaboration tasks well. Uploads and downloads are fast, sharing links works flawlessly, and syncing across devices is stable. But, like any self-hosted solution, pushing it to the limits: massive datasets, high traffic, multiple concurrent users can create bottlenecks or require advanced server configuration. So, is Nextcloud the best storage in 2026? If you value privacy, control, and customization and you have the hardware or are comfortable using managed hosting, it's an outstanding choice. It allows total ownership, no vendor lock-ins, and unmatched flexibility. If your priority is zero setup convenience and out-of-the-box reliability, a commercial provider may still suit you better. Here's the human takeaway: Nextcloud rewards those who value autonomy over convenience. It's not just a cloud. It's a platform that puts you in the driver's seat. The app and web interfaces are polished, the feature set is extensive, and the community is strong. But it requires some responsibility. You need to maintain your environment and backups to truly benefit. If this review helped you understand Nextcloud, share it with someone looking for a real cloud alternative, leave a comment with your experience, and make sure your files stay secure and fully under your control. Privacy, control, and flexibility Nextcloud delivers, but only if you're ready to manage it.